Ten.
Stand by to take studio.
7, 6.
Stand by camera 1, mics 1 and 2.
3, 2, 1.
Take studio.
Good morning, good afternoon, MCHS. I'm McKay.
And I'm Delaney. Today, on our show, we will be looking at some of the highlights from the grade 11 fetal pig dissection lab and an interesting documentary on the 14-year-old Rashid. But first, here's our top story.
May 3rd was an epic day. It was a day for awareness. We call it Hats On for Mental Health. My co-host and her partner, Pedersen, went to capture the event and get a great taste of knowledge and insight on that special day.
Mental health is something that affects us all. And on May 3rd, all across Alberta, all schools had Hats On for Mental Health Day.
So every May, all Albertans are encouraged or invited to wear a hat to raise awareness of mental health. And so this has been going on quite a long time. I believe it's very important to raise mental health awareness because by making people aware, it really can reduce the stigma attached to it and the negative feelings that some people have towards mental illness. And by decreasing that stigmatization, people are more apt to maybe ask for help when they need help and go and get the help that they need and not feel like people are judging them.
Even though there weren't many people showing their support visibly, many people believe what this event stands for is important.
I think it's extremely important for the simple reason that there's often a negative stigma attached with mental health. And so by doing this day, we make it aware to everybody that sharing what's going on is not a bad thing, that there are people that turn to, there are professionals out there that can help, but there's also people within our own circle of influence, whether it be our friends, family, that can help as well, and we're all here to support people.
I know that it can be lifelong. It can be very harmful to you, almost as harmful as physical diseases sometimes. I'm not a doctor, so I wouldn't know much about the actual technical bits of it. But mental health is really important to think about because lots of people are affected by it. You could probably have a family member or a friend that's affected by it and you wouldn't even know it.
And this has been Delaney for MCTV News.
The weather lately has been a crazy roller coaster ride of sun and rain. We have our meteorologist Longman here to shower us with knowledge on what's to come. Take it away.
Thanks, guys. And as you guys can see, over here in Whitehorse, we have 16 degrees with slight rain and cloud. And Yellowknife, 12 degrees, rainy. Iqaluit, slightly sunny, but -1 degrees. Vancouver over here, 20 degrees, slightly cloudy. Regina, rainy, 15 degrees. Winnipeg, 19 degrees, but raining still. Toronto, 14 degrees and raining. 21 in Montreal, cloudy. Halifax, slightly cloudy. Iqaluit, 7, and Halifax, 19. Over to Alberta. Here in high level, we have 20 degrees with sun and partly rain. We have Fort McMurray with little cloud and 18 degrees. Grand Prairie, slight rain, but mostly sun. And Edmonton, we have part rain and part sun. Jasper, we have thunderstorm and lightning storm. 14 degrees, Red Deer, 13. Banff, 12. Calgary, 14. And Medicine Hat, 15 degrees. Now on to 7-day. As you can see, on Friday, 20 degrees, slightly cloudy. Saturday, 23 degrees and slightly cloudy. Entire weekend slightly cloudy, except for Tuesday and Thursday, which is part rain. Sunday, 22. Monday, 22. Tuesday, 23. Wednesday, 23. And Thursday, 23. On to current. Currently, it is 13 degrees and partly sunny, with some cloud. Relative humidity is 71%. And back to you guys.
Thanks for that weather update, Cameron. After the commercial break, we will have our very own Rashid to tell us all about the NHL, NBA, and MLB scores.
Where do you think you're going?
Madam, some kids just threatened me.
Sure, I'll get right on that.
Hey, Mr. B, I was hoping you could mark my assignments on.
You know how tough it is to talk to you and text at the same time?
Coach, the big game's in 1 week. We need to practice. Coach, hi. Hey, no, the game? No, we haven't got any training in the whole season. I'm kind of freaking out, man.
See how annoying that is? To all the students in MCHS, please turn off your phones. A message from the Government of Canada.
Rashid is here to let us know all the latest in the NHL and NBA conference finals, plus the latest scores from the MLB. Take it away, Arian.
Thanks, Shaden. Kiara. Tonight in the NHL, Ottawa and Pittsburgh are facing off in Game 7 of the Eastern Conference Finals. The winner will go to the Stanley Cup Finals, where they will take on the Nashville Predators. Game 5 of the NBA Eastern Conference Finals happens tonight in Boston, where the Celtics are trying to avoid elimination against the Cleveland Cavaliers. A win for the Cavs puts them in the finals against the Golden State Warriors. In the majors, the Blue Jays went against the Brewers, winning 8-4. Mariners fought a 1-5 losing battle against the Nationals. The Twins eked out a victory against the Orioles 4-3. Cardinals stomped the Dodgers 6-1. The Tigers made a quick one out of the Astros, with the Tigers winning 6-3. Kansas City was blanked by the Yankees 3-0. The Red Sox ripped the Rangers 9-4, and Cincinnati edged out Cleveland 4-3. Coming up next, the grade 11 biology class partook in an interesting activity regarding the body of a pig. Our crew members Jordan Imgrund-Harvey and Carter Mundy bring us this report on the fetal pig dissection.
Today we are at Mr. Bauenstein's Bio 20 class for a fetal pig dissection. Let's see what people have to say about it.
Well, pig dissections have been around in bio since I was a kid in school. So they've been around for a lot of years, and they've been kind of a key portion of the biology program. For the biology 20 students, I really do think it's a good opportunity for them to kind of recap a lot of the body systems they do for half the course. And this is just a great opportunity for them to kind of be able to see all these organs like as they sit inside of the body of an organism.
But how long does this process take?
I usually set the lab up the day before the kids. I give them some instructions on what they're going to be doing and what they need to be looking for.
The entire process took about, class length, just under probably about an hour, I'd say. We asked Kelsey Christopherson and Stephen Van Sevenau what were the hardest parts of the pig dissection for them.
The hardest part about the dissection was getting the skin off of the muscle, the muscle off of the bones too. It's hard to pull off.
The hardest part of the dissection would probably be trying to find some of the minute structures such as the pancreas, because they're such small structures that are surrounded by larger organs such as the liver, and being able to maneuver in and try and find those was quite difficult. Although there's hard parts like trying to find small organs, was it what they originally expected it to be? To an extent. I would say it was what I did expect, but it's always different when you actually begin the dissection, just because the proportions of all the organs, it's different to look at it on a diagram in a classroom and to see it in real time. From the many kids that did it, we asked Stephen Van Sevenau if he would do it again. There's always different approaches going about it. Doing it again, you can obviously try and eliminate some of the errors you made the first time, and it'll make it a even better experience than it already was. That was the pig dissection that happened in Mr. Bauenstein's Bio 20 class on the 4th of May.
For MCTV News, this is Carter Mundy reporting.
Here are your daily announcements for Thursday the 25th. Compost is in, trash is out. Thanks to MCHS's own Green Warriors. There are compost bins up on the microwaves in CTS Center Court, the balcony, and the foods room. The Warriors kindly ask that you follow the rules posted above the bins and help minimize our ecological footprint. Tonight's Decades Dance is canceled because of lack of sales. If you did purchase a ticket, you can get a refund from the office. 2018 grads, come get your swag. Order next year's grad wear by June 13th with Miss Jackson in the main office. Long sleeves are $22.50. T-shirts are $20 if you want to. You can pay into $5 to get your name on it. Need to get your MCTV fix? If so, head online to www.badistan.net. Our digital archive is expanding and will soon include all episodes aired during our last 22 seasons. For this and all other school info, keep connected by listening to the daily announcements by logging on to the school's website at mchs.com. Following the school on Twitter at MCHS. We're also following MCTV News on Twitter at MCTV News.
Now we bring you a documentary on our very own sports reporter, Rashid. All this past month, our crew members, Zacharias and Mackenzie Sellers, have been watching and taking notes on Arian. Please enjoy this interesting and riveting documentary on this mythical creature of the ecosystem, Arian.
Alright guys, so our team have decided to go out and capture some footage of the legendary Arian, and we've actually got some pretty good footage right here. So today we have a documentary for you about the mythical creature in the ecosystem known as the Arian. We have captured footage of this creature in performing media class. He just kind of screws around, but sometimes we've actually captured him doing actual work. Let's do some work right here. Gotta import some files. Oh, car. Let's open that. I gotta slap that there. Oh man, look at that sexy car. Oh, what the hell I do, man? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful car. Whoa. Let's import this video. I don't know what it is, but it looks cool, so like, why not, right? Let's slap it right here. Whoa, okay, I don't know what that is, because so slow. Too slow, man. Take a look at some of my high quality memes. I walk with a groove in my step because I am a cool guy. This is Arian Rashid in MCTV classroom.
Zoom in, bro. You're being told right now. It's just a social experiment.
You want to interview me?
Oh my god, I go so fast. Wow. Look at this authentic VR experience right here. I just need the headset. Give me the headset. The VR headset. Here are some people we asked their opinions about Arian. They were all pretty awesome.
My first impression of Arian is that he was a very strong individual and that he was very like meme-ish and cool.
I actually surprisingly have all the same classes as him, which is pretty amazing because he's a cool guy and I always want to be with cool guys, you know? And here he is shamelessly promoting his YouTube channel. Hey boss, come subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hold on, I need whoa, that's amazing. Oh, subscribe please. None of these guys out here are cool guys except me.
Join us 2 weeks from now to catch the next episode when our pieces will include the Spring Play, Crazy Town, MCHS, Bikeathon, and Morinville's Ice Cream Hut. All this plus our 7-day Morinville weather forecast and sports on the Wednesday, June 7th episode of MCTV News.
So what are you gonna do for the weekend?
Probably go to the movies, and or I don't do like not. I don't know what I'm gonna see at the movies though.
Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I'm just gonna hang out with my family, my friends.
Yep. Oh, well, from all of us here at MCTV News, I'm McKay.
And I'm Delaney.